Affiliate fraud is not a niche problem or something that only happens to poorly run programs. It is built into how modern traffic manipulation works today. And if you rely on surface level metrics to catch it, you are already too late. Most teams believe they would notice fraud if it were happening. They trust their reports. They trust their dashboards. They trust that growth looks like growth. But affiliate fraud does not announce itself. It blends into normal looking traffic and quietly drains money in the background. In this video, I am going to explain what affiliate fraud actually is, why most teams fail to detect it, how it silently destroys your data and decision making, and what modern tools are supposed to do to stop it before it costs you real money. And at the end, I will show you how teams use a very specific tool to spot fraud early without slowing down legitimate growth or burning good partners. Let's jump in. Now, most people assume fraud looks obvious. You know, things like spam traffic or absurd conversion rates, something that immediately raises alarms. But that is not how it works today. Modern affiliate fraud blends in. It looks like normal clicks, normal leads, normal conversions. Everything feels fine until payouts go out. And by that point, the damage is already done. Here's what affiliate fraud in the 21st century actually is. Affiliate fraud is when someone generates fake or low quality activity to earn commissions without bringing real customers. That activity can take many forms. Fake clicks designed to look human, low intent leads that will never convert, bot traffic disguised as real users, or conversions that were never going to turn into real revenue. The dangerous part is not the activity itself. The dangerous part is that it passes most basic checks. Dashboards look healthy. Reports look stable. Nothing feels broken. And that false sense of security is exactly what makes fraud so expensive. Today, most affiliate teams are still using outdated ways to catch fraud. They look at conversion rates. They skim reports once a week. They rely on intuition and experience. And they trust partners unless something feels clearly wrong. That approach worked years ago. It does not work now. Modern fraud uses rotating IP addresses, VPNs that mimic real locations, devices that reset fingerprints. Traffic patterns are designed to look natural. Some fraud even delays conversions, so everything appears legitimate. By the time suspicion kicks in, payouts are already approved. By that point, you are reacting, not preventing. And reaction always costs more. Now, let's break down the hidden costs of affiliate fraud. Lost payouts hurt, but they are not the biggest problem. The real damage happens quietly in your data. Fraud inflates performance metrics. It makes bad affiliates look profitable. It pushes real partners down the rankings. Teams scale the wrong traffic sources. Commissions get increased on fake performance. Budgets get allocated based on distorted signals. And suddenly, the program feels unpredictable and difficult to manage. Not because affiliate marketing stopped working, but because the inputs are corrupted. Modern affiliate programs need systems, not guesswork. They need tools that surface suspicious behavior automatically. They need visibility at the affiliate level, the click level, and the conversion level. They need signals before money leaves the business. And they need control without automatically punishing good partners. The goal is not to ban people faster. The goal is to see problems earlier and make better decisions. This is exactly how Trackdesk approaches fraud prevention. Trackdesk is the tool over 3,000 businesses use to run their affiliate programs and prevent fraud. Trackdesk runs built-in fraud monitoring continuously in the background. Affiliates, clicks, and conversions are evaluated using a rules-based system. When suspicious behavior appears, it is clearly flagged inside the platform. You see it directly in the affiliate list. You see it in click reports. You see it in conversion reports. Nothing is hidden. Nothing requires manual digging. And Trackdesk does not take automatic action on your behalf. You stay in control. You decide what to review, and you decide what to approve. For teams that need deeper protection, Trackdesk integrates with Anura for advanced click-level fraud detection. Every click is evaluated and given a quality score. Good, warning, bad. This gives you objective insight into traffic quality before payouts happen. You can apply this protection globally or customize it per offer depending on risk. The result is cleaner data, safer payouts, and the confidence to scale without guessing. The real takeaway here is simple. Affiliate fraud is not something you catch once and forget about. It is something that quietly shapes your results every day if you are not watching for it. The teams that win are not the ones arguing with affiliates after payouts go out. They are the ones who see problems early, protect their data, and scale based on reality instead of assumptions. If you are running or scaling an affiliate program and want reliable tracking, built-in fraud signals, and modern protection that does not slow down legitimate growth, you can get started with Trackdesk using the first link in the description below. You can book a demo or start a free trial and see exactly how fraud prevention works inside the platform. And if this video helped you rethink how affiliate fraud actually works, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Watch the suggested video on the screen if you want to go deeper into building an affiliate program that scales without chaos and without guesswork. See you in the next one.